Hello everyone, I am Shekhar sir from Empower Tutorials. Today I am going to introduce you about the topic called as differentiation or derivatives. As you know, y is equal to f of x, that is y is a function of x. Then x is called as independent variable. Independent variable, and y is called as dependent variable. What does it mean? Dependent variable. So it means that as x changes, the value of y also changes, and that's why it's called as y is a function of x. It may be x square, it may be x cube, what it may be. If you take y is equal to x square, then if you take x is equal to 1, y becomes 1. If you take x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. It indicates that as I change the x, the value of y is also changing. Now, for further extension, I say that if I change a small change in x, which is delta x. So, when there is a change in independent variable, small change, there is definitely a small change takes place in the dependent variable, value of dependent variable, that is delta y. Then, what is meant by differentiation or what is meant by derivatives? So, it is nothing but what? There is a change, whatever change takes place in dependent variable with respect to change takes place is independent variable, but that change should be very small, that is limit delta x tends to 0. Then it is nothing but equal to f of x plus delta x minus fx with limit delta x tends to 0. This is the definition of derivative, and this is called as written as dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x. And sometime in other books it is also given as limit del h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx divided by h, which is called as dy by dx, and this is the definition of the derivative. Now we will see the rules of differentiation. Now you know basic operations of in arithmetic: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So the first rule that you are having here, that suppose u is equal to f of x and v is equal to g of x. So f of x, u is the first function of u and g of x is second function, which is taken as a v. Then if I take the addition of these two functions as a y is equal to u plus v, if there is a change in u, there is a change in v, there is a change in y, and that dy by dx, the rule is what? It is just simply addition of two derivatives of du by dx plus dv by dx. You know second function also, second operation, basic subtraction, y is equal to u minus v. Then dy by dx, that can be taken as du by dx minus dv by dx. The third operation, basic operation, you know multiplication, that is third, y is equal to u into v. Please, it is not like that du by dx into dv by dx. No, it is taken as dy by dx is equal to first function as it is u, derivative of second function dv by dx plus v du by dx. That is the rule for differentiation multiplication case. And the fourth case is division, where y is equal to u upon v. Then dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. So for the first operation addition, it is simple. Dy by dx is du by dx plus du by dx. For second operation, that is subtraction, y is equal to u minus v, you will have derivative of y with respect to x is du by dx minus du by dx. Third operation, multiplication, u into v, dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. And the fourth operation, division or quotient, y is equal to u upon v, is dy by dx is equal to denominator v du by dx, numerator differentiation, minus numerator into derivatives of denominator dv by dx upon denominator square. So these are the, you can say, normal rules for differentiation. Let us, we can list about the some standard functions and their derivatives. Let's take a functions f of x. Now derivative that can be written as f dash is also. So which is equal to what? Dy by dx. If I take y is equal to f of x. So y is equal to f of x. What are the derivatives of the different functions? The first one is taken as x raised to n. Then it becomes n x raised to n minus 1. I will take remaining all trigonometric functions only. Then sin x, if I take derivative of sin x by first principle, if you derive, you get cos x. Derivative of cos x, if you take, you will have minus sin x. Derivative of tan x, if you take, it is sec square x. Derivative of cot x, if you take, it is minus cosec square x. Derivative of, you can say, sec x is sec x tan x. And derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x. Let us again revise in faster manner. X raised to n, the derivative is n x raised to n minus 1. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of cot x is minus cos square x. Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Derivative of cos x is minus cos x cot x. Now here if you observe, the function starting with c, they are having negative derivatives. Cos x starting with c, cot x starting with c, cos x is starting with c. So you are having minus sin x, minus cos square x, minus cos cot x. Further, there are functions e raised to x, a raised to x that we will take in the next session definitely. I am thankful to you, and very important that you like this video, you share it and subscribe it, and please continue with us. Thank you very much.